Hello. Today we'll be working on some slime project, Unity project. Hope everyone is doing well. Wait, let me put on some music. About here. Volume should be okay. Yeah, today working on some slime project. This slime here. Few small plans. I have a list here in my head. Fix the mild shading. Add some animations for idle animation and eating a cookie animation. So that's the plan for today. So let's start with the texture. So right now the mouth looks okay when it's neutral, but it looks kind of off. Not really good when it's smiling. Like it's almost invisible. So I want to fix that. So for that we got Photoshop, and we'll be adjusting the texture. Let's see. It's my pen. And I'm trying to find my pen. Okay, got it. Got my pen. Thought it was hiding. It was rolling away somewhere on the table. Okay, it's working. Let's see. I need to figure out which part. I think I might need Blender, so let's do that. Let's open the slime project. Oh no, it's sad here. So sad. Okay, let's put on a happy. So this is not the shading I'm getting in Unity. That means there's something. I wonder if there's a way I can set up the shading so it looks a little bit more like what I'm getting in Unity. Because the shadow is a lot bit more here. Hi El, got a look while you cook dinner. Sounds good. Have a good dinner. And hi Shiro, how is it going? Cute. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the lurk, El. So here it looks pretty nice. But in Unity, like because of the lighting, the mouth is almost invisible. I want to get something like this. I wonder if I can just edit the slime material. How are you doing, Shiro? Right. Let's make this larger. Realistic? Toon? No, Toon is not better. Skin. Warped. That. Realistic. Being healed by cuteness. That's good to hear. Lighting modifier. Alright. Unity shadows. No detail. Ambient occlusion. No, I don't have an occlusion map. Yeah, I think I'll just do some texturing. But yeah, sure. Let me show you. The current idle animation is just breathing, just like some breathing animation. There's also some physics to it. Also, how's the music? Is it okay? Is it? Let me know if it's too loud or not loud enough. Yeah, so you can see the slime is breathing here. And then I can also make it toggle the hands. Plop. Bring the hands out. That is what I have currently. But I'm not happy with how the mouth looks. So I want to edit the texture for it. But here it's not super representative. Is there a way to turn off light here? That's not. Maybe here, and I do texture. Let's flicker lighting. The same. Like the shadow here, I want to have that. That's actually what I would like to have. This is basically what I'm getting. Oh, not exactly this, because this is not quite accurate. Oh. Hey Nuke, how's it going? That's some aggressive waving emote you have. Super aggressive waving. Been good? Nice. Let's do some texture paint so I can find where the mouth is. I guess it's use a green. That way I can find. Oh, I don't want to look at the bones. We're aggressive, gotta show up your waves. Super aggressive wave. It's funny how my tracking kind of keeps up. Okay, so aggressive. Was that too much? Okay, so it's the first ring where the triangle ends. At least for the top. Okay. No, too little. And no, not too much. My tracking is off now, I think. My hand is not like this. Uh-oh. Let me recalibrate. Reattach first. Well, actually, it's fine. Kinda, almost. Let me recalibrate anyway. Keep pose. be good now. Stretching break? Well, does the T-pose count? I just started, but I guess I'll stretch. There we go. Thank you for the stretching break. Redeem. Thank you, Nick. Yeah, I mean, it could. I was T-posing. Okay. So second set of triangles is where I want to do this. So let's switch layers. This is the pink. What is this? Okay, so this is the blush, and this is the inside mouth. And let's add one more for mouth outline. Time to wait for hydration. Hydration soon. Just a little bit too much lighter. Let's get a little bit darker blue. Like this. How much point do you have, Nuke? Cheers. Okay, so where its triangles ends, so around here. So let's try this. Let's fill these in. Wait, do I have mirror on? Whoops. I don't need mirror on. I'll delete the other side later. 270. You had over 700 before redeem. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'll add more stuff to redeem to it. Hopefully soon. I'm working on that. It's related to this slime project actually. So I'm making my slime, right? And eventually the slime will be ready. Oh. But where's my Unity? What's happening? This works. But something is blocking all of my apps. Huh? What happened? That was strange. Top chat, bro? What do you mean? This? Oh, looks fine. It's maybe a little bit delayed. Yeah. Okay, so this time, right? I'm making a project here, and this project is interesting because it has access to Twitch. So when I click this, yeah, it's no choice really, it's Twitch. Let me adjust this. Reset camera. So with this, I can connect to Twitch chat, right? And then well, when you talk, see, you can see your own message here. Twitch get weird sometimes. And if I do a redeem, let's say I do the high redeem, it also shows up the redeem high. So this project understands Twitch, which means I can do stuff with Twitch chat. So eventually, one of my plans is have that chat can redeem something that interacts with the slime, like feed a cookie by something. That's my plan eventually. Get notification when you go on, and then like delayed notification. It happens. Yeah. So I have some plans with this, but I'm still in very early stages. Still need to make the slime look good. Hi Lester, maybe you should get a mascot pet. Why not? It's fun. It's fun to have something like that. It makes fan art easier too. Cookies. Hey, thank you for the cookies. Sharing with chat. All the free cookies. Lester, do you know what kind of pet or mascot you would get? No idea. I wonder what would work with your theme, like photographer tsundere. What kind of pet or mascot would that be? It's tsundere kitty? Icer is more like a dog person though. So it's tsundere dog. The wolf? Maybe. Need to clean up the lines here. Right, I don't want to grid. Clean up these lines. You knew somebody had owned a wolf, like a pet wolf, domesticated wolf? I didn't even know that was possible. Amazing 1-1. I feel like that's kind of dangerous. Like wolf, like big dog, sure, but a wolf. Hey, I didn't speak to you, Google. Sounds expensive to feed. If you don't have the money to feed them, they'll feed on you. That's the deal. If you get them right from birth, you can train that. Maybe, but still, it's a wolf, so I don't know how much you can train. Ooh, the lines are not clean, but let's just try these. And oh yeah, I have to clean this up. Technically, it was more 80-20 hybrid. Anything more than that, and the wolf would challenge you as alpha. Interesting. I thought the alpha thing was debunked by the person that brought up the alpha hypothesis. They debunked it a bit after, but it was too late. It became popular. Export. Oh. New project. Sacrifice the wallet to the wolf. You haven't heard about that? So I remember reading somewhere. I'm not 100% sure of the source. But the person that wrote about the alpha behavior, watching, like, they were observing wolves, right? And they wrote about the alpha behavior. And they published that. It became popular because everyone talked about it. And then later, that same person published another thing, taking back the hypothesis about alpha behavior, and they noticed that the alpha behavior they saw was actually just parent versus their, it was, I think, like the parent wolf and their kid wolves. So like it wasn't like a alpha behavior in the pack. It was just like parents, kids behavior. So they took it back. But it was too late. No one accepted the alpha thing as real, and that person was not able to take it back. Yeah. Yeah, maybe you can look into it. I just remember reading about it. I didn't check the sources, so I'm not sure if it's real or not. I just remember reading about that. Found the folder. Let's replace. Oop, let's replace. And now let's hop back into Unity. Okay, no, it looks like it has lipsticks, which is not a good thing. Alright, thank you for the alert, Weister. Time for food? Sounds good. So that was horrible. Okay, maybe I need a different strategy. Let's do it in Blender instead. Like as a flat thing. Remove the wireframe. The mouse is basically invisible. So it this way then. Where are the seams? Here. You have an assignment to do for Friday, almost midnight, and you haven't started yet. You should start. I don't know how much of a work it is. You're like, yes, cooked, but like cooked how? I mean, I know people who have eaten raw eggs. I don't think it was a wise idea, but I know people who did it. Let's try to find. Poached egg is Vegas egg. Okay. Essay, it's an essay. So knowing it's an essay, I don't know how good are you at pumping out text quickly. I would start early because I'm bad at it. You don't do well with English essay. Okay, let's see. Never had poached egg. You heard they taste good? If well made, they taste good, yeah. I do like poached egg. I've never tried making them myself though. Okay, so this line, so the middle of the... Okay, so I think what I need is mark the line and draw around it rather than color and spaces. Yeah, I think this makes more sense. It's like everything that includes English. Doesn't that include almost everything? Valid English, always been the worst grade. Oh no. When you want to start early? I mean, it's better starting early and struggling a bit than starting late and still struggling and getting worse grades, right? Does that make sense? For me, with the eggs, I do like poached eggs. But I think the favorite one is fluffy scrambled eggs, like really fluffy ones. The trick when you do scrambled egg, if you want it to be fluffy, is you mix in milk in it. You work well under stress. Okay, last week you had an assignment to do Friday same time, and did you do it last minute? I'm guessing. And you did it on Thursday? I see. Not recommended, but I guess it works for you. But for sure not recommended. Stuck in your introduction for the whole class, 80 minutes. Oh no. I guess starting is always the hardest part, right? Something I did a lot when I did essays where I was to not start with introduction. Friday on introduction, someone got an A+. Nice. A+ is good. It's really good. So congrats. Okay, so this line looks like a lemon. It's funny. Okay. I see. So I did one layer too far. I see where I went. You want A plus plus? Is that even a thing? At my when I was in school, A plus. Well, it depended on which school, I guess. In university, A plus was a max you could get. It was actually not called A plus; it was called A star, like A asterisk. Oh, it's not a thing. I see. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get a grade that doesn't exist. That's cheating. A star? Yeah. We didn't have A plus. We had so all the letters, like all the grades were like F for fail, right? And then the next grade was D minus, and then D, and then C minus, and then C, and then B minus, and then B, and then A minus, and then A, and then A star. Those were the grades you could get at my university. No, so the A star was the max. The A star gave perfect GPA. So I think this is what I wanted to do. Lemon shape. Clean up this part. That's would have been cool. Yeah, just like in video games. Would have been nice. But no, they didn't have it. SSR? SSSR? Triple S? Super Aware Summon? You got your games? Right, Shiro? Or I could Beat Saber SS rank for accuracy. Let's take a look in the video. Much better. Why is it like glowy? Oh, okay, I see. It's better, but it's not quite. But better. It's a bit more visible. Let's see the other shapes. My goal is to make it visible, because this one is super visible. This one is not very visible. Neko. Yeah, it's not visible enough. So I need to add a little bit more. Right here is the ranking. You get S plus. Slime will be a Discord sticker. It is already actually. Well, I need. We lost the stickers in Discord because not enough boosters. Let me show. Oh. Yeah, so this is the cutie wholesome layer, right? And the stickers, we got some of the slimes here. But we lost them because we don't have enough boosters, and that's okay. It's not a very active. It's not a super active Discord, so I don't mind it. It's okay. I mean, you don't have. Thank you, Shiro. Thank you for the boost. Now we have stickers again. I was like, wait, it was grayed out, and suddenly it was not grayed out anymore. But yeah, now we got stickers. Let me post this one. Wait, but Shiro is the one that put it. Here. I think people got money. I mean, I understand like boost is more for like active discords, right? Because it's more than just stickers. You also get like higher quality calls, a higher quality sound, more emotes and stuff like that. Which it's fair that we don't get those at the moment. Like Discord is not big enough, really. Eventually, it'll be easier to get those. But for now, Fikishiro. Okay, let's add a little bit more. Well, very thin, very light background. You get higher quality sleep at night with Nitro boost. Wouldn't that be awesome? I would really like that. How is it different color? There we go. That was weird. Just put some milk in before you sleep. That reminds me, I have to buy more milk. I ran out. I just ran out of milk. Thank you for the reminder. I need to buy that. Probably tomorrow. Get some more milk. Yeah, no milk. I eat too much cereal. So my milk runs out very quickly. Let's clean up. And cookies. I still have cookies. So I don't need to buy more. I have a lot of snacks actually. Get this off a list. Yeah. I'll have a list. Like I just need to go buy. I just forgot about groceries. Because I still have food at home, so it's not like I need to do groceries now. It's cleaner, a little bit cleaner lines. What cereal? Going to the store, but I'm spending money. That's fair. My favorite cereal is the Special K from Kellogg, strawberry one. The red berries Special K. That's my favorite one. I like a lot of the granola and nut mix. What else? Like Moose Lakes nut cereal. I like those. Mini wheats. You want to try the strawberry one? It's good. It's a bit expensive. Like the box is very small usually. Even if you get like the quote unquote family size, it's so small. But I like it. I get it sometimes. Mini wheats is what I like. Honey Nut Cheerios is also what I like. What about you? What cereal do you like to eat? Let's place and then hop back into Unity. Ooh, it looks clean here, but maybe too small. I guess I need to fix this one. Yeah. Okay, I'll make it work for the other ones. Okay, so I need to remove the bottom lip. I mostly need the top one. Okay. You like Cocoa Puffs, okay. family size, so I use like 4 or 5 bowls. Yeah, that sounds about similar to me. Like 8 large bowls, so it goes pretty quickly. I used to like Smart Start, but it's been I haven't tried that one. Cocoa Pebbles. Okay, nice, nice. Yeah, Cocoa Puffs is good. Like the milk after the cereal is just chocolate milk, basically. Oh yeah, something I do. I don't know if more people do it, but something that I do is I eat my cereal, right? I still have the milk after. And then with that milk that has absorbed a lot of the cereal flavor, it's like sweet milk. I dunk Oreos in it and eat the Oreos with that milk. So it's like super sweetened Oreos and cereal milk. And then I drink the milk. That's something I do. I don't know if anyone else does that. Done that once. Eat a lot but somehow stay in shape and skinny. Do you do a lot of exercise? Because that would help for sure. Okay, let's delete like half of this bottom part. See how that goes. Hero wants nukes metabolism. Something like this. You do, okay. You do a lot of exercise, so that's good. Yeah, doing exercises will help a lot. It does a big difference. You run a lot, walk. Nice, that's good. That is good. Let's add some more to the top side. I added too much on this side. Like dog with dog. Nice, nice. Yeah, I guess having a dog would encourage you to stay active. I used to be active when I could play Beat Saber. I miss it. Eventually I'll get back to it when I'm done recovering. But right now I'm not allowed to do sports or exercise. Hi Kyo. Hello. You like eggs Benedict, the boiled eggs. Those are good too. You know, now that I think about it, I kind of like all kinds of eggs. Is it because of my eye? Yes, it is. So after going through surgeries, right now I'm in recovery mode and I'm not allowed to do exercise for a while until it's fully recovered, and I'm not fully done with it yet. So that's why I'm not doing VR. But eventually, I'll get back to it. How are you doing, Gio? How long to recovery? The doctor said few months. It's been 2 months so far, so maybe a couple more. We'll see. Yeah. Happy. So maybe I need to add some gradient on it. Echo. Months? Yeah, last time I did Beat Saber was in September. It's been a while. Sad. So close up it looks weird, but like from far away, it doesn't look too bad. Sad. Happy. Reco. Reco is still a bit hard to see. But it's much better. Okay, I think I'll keep this. You just need to clean it up. Cannot wait that long. Not even for 10 minutes. It's not easy, but you know, gotta listen to the doctor. Like I don't want to risk doing anything rough and damage my eye again. You know, as much as I would like to get back into VR, do exercise and stuff, it's too risky, so I'm not doing it. You know, let's do like gradient. Gradient tool. Circular. Basic. Right, just make a new layer. You remember doing surgery for your throat and had to recover 14 days. That's not too bad, but still. Everything was fine, had to take medicine for the first day and then you were fine. It's good to hear that you were fine in the end. Is that how I want to do this? No, I think what I want to do is more like fill this. Actually, make it smaller first. Contract by like 5 pixels. Fill it. And then reselect it, I think. And then go back here and do the gradient. That no, I think I can do better. So let's hide this. Fill it, no, expand. I'm doing some Photoshop wizardry. I just need like 3 pixels. Fill it. And then have half a bottle because you don't still do it, you know, at the same time. Ouch, that sounds rough. You're gonna get some numbs. Alright, thank you for the lurk show. Have good numbs. Because you threw a box of 4 pop cycle. Oh, you went through 4 boxes of pop cycle. Oh wow. That's a lot of pop cycles. That is a lot of pop cycles. Select invert and then filter Gaussian blur. There you go. Now we get a smooth edge. It was worse days. You had 9 and 10. Oh wow. That's pretty intense. And it took you like 2 weeks to heal from that, right? 14 days. Yeah, I think it looks fine. Okay. I just need to fix the neutral one. 2 weeks. That's a big yikes. You'll be back? Alright, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, let's see. Export this again to the Blender project. Then in Blender, update the texture. That doesn't look like the correct folder. Now I gotta change this to faces and close up the lips. Oh. I guess I did a mistake when I did the shape here. Like this should have been the side, like the outside. But when I started it, I fold those parts in, which was a mistake. Yeah, I folded all those parts in. But not inside. Okay, so I need to remove the bottom entirely. Hey you, hello. Congrats on being first. You're totally the first person in chat. How are you doing? Just woke up? Good morning? Question mark? Is good morning appropriate in this situation? Time difference and heat is draining. Wow, I can only imagine. How warm is it? How hot is it? Hopefully things are going smoothly. Just removing the bottom part of a texture. Took a glance of weather, it's at high 85, it felt like 91. Yikes. That is pretty hot. That is pretty hot. Around me, let's see. How warm is it? It's 50. It's like 50 around me. Not even hot. Let's try this. Export. To the Unity project. Okay, well, this doesn't look bad. Okay, I think this works. I'm happy with the result here. We can see. How's the avatar work going? It's not exactly an avatar, but the slime work. The slime work is going well. You can see the slime with idle animation. It's like breathing here. Happy face. And let me swap expressions. Neutral. Sad. Nickel face. Yeah, I'm happy with the result. Hi, Cake. I was like, oh no, Unity. No, Unity. What are you doing? Goodbye, Unity. It died. Unity died. Cake, what did you do? It's your fault, Cake. I'm kidding. It's not your fault. How are you doing? How are you? You like yours cooked? Yes, Nuke. I'm no bully. Tired? What time is it for you, Cake? How could I say that? 4 a.m. No wonder you're tired. Have you considered sleeping? I mean, I'm very happy that you're showing up on my stream, but considering it's 4 a.m., have you considered sleeping? Oh, you cannot sleep? I see. Not sleeping late at 2, 3. I mean, that's pretty late too. Like poached egg. If not, go for over easy. Nice. Sleep is for the weak. That's what Kyo would say. And welcome back, El. What did you get? Will you share with the group? With the squad? What food did you get? You're saying that as someone who just woke up. That's fine. Okay, so all in all, the project should be fine, even though it crashed because I didn't do anything that needed saving. So let's hide the menu. And where's my animation window? Select the slime. Oh no. Where is the animator? Model, animation. Slime. Leave hugs and cookies. I think that's a good deal. Is my animator empty? Oh no. Okay, I guess I have to redo that. You get any brownies? Oh no, no brownies. You don't share. Sort of a single kitty cookie. You save until you share. That's quite a threat. Okay. Oh wow, how much did I lose then? This looks fun. This looks fun. This looks fun. Okay, so it's just the slime animation. I lost all the animations. Uh, are the animations still around? Arm, mouth. Okay. Animation tab. Okay, I have to redo the animations and item. Okay, everything animation disappeared. Sad. No threat, it's a progress. You ate all your cookies. Congrats. Congrats on eating all the cookies. This is empty. That doesn't sound right. Huh? Interesting. Body. Hands. Select to on and wow. Select to on. Stress? No stress. This is fine. I can work. So bull for hands. And wait, what about the physics? Okay, there's some physics here. Okay, so physics is fine too. Just animation. No more cookies. You can get the cookies in chat. Surprise for me? What do you have? Like, share with us. No. Okay, so I start with hands. This one is easy. Arms on, arms off. Connect these, make this one default. Hands is true. Hands is false. And then record the animation. Arms on. Take the arm bone. Them 0 size. Wait, no, this is off. This is on. So arm, we want it to what? Save and then off. Record. This one is 000 for both. I was about to do hydration. Do you not have enough? Maybe there's a bug. Okay, so hands is done. Mouth. Let's record. Oh yeah, let's add the mouth. Neutral. Small. Sad. Let go for now. Small, let go sad. Move this up here. Make a transition. All of them. Now transition to self. Yeah, I have enough. Try doing a refresh. Maybe that will fix it. Who knows? Remove red for this one I need default. For these two, remove red default. And now I have to record the mouth. Oh yeah, and body. It's at the idle. For now. No red defaults. Now let's do the idle. I remember now. I moved this to this one. And then this bone is animated. Add a key. Add one, and then I think it was 45. 0.02. We'll be back. Alright, sounds good. And 130. Go back to 1. It's too fast. Maybe 1 minute. Not 1 minute, 1 second. 150. This one to 330. Yeah, this one looks more natural. And now the mouth. Still requires 500 and 3 have 500. That's very strange. Something you can do is use the store. Like, there's another way you can redeem. You can use this on stream elements. You can also redeem on there. Okay, mouth neutral. Save. Add everything at 0. And mouth smell. Just happy to 1. Then mouth sad is just sad to 100. Neko is just Neko to 100. Okay, so now I have all my animations. I just need to do the setup here. Just wait. That works too. Call 0 for neutral. Small is mouth equals 1. Mouth Neko is mouth equals 2. And sad is mouth equal 3. 2, 1, 0. And now let's hit play. You got the hydration break. Alrighty. Thank you, Nick, for the hydration. I have my water bottle here. There you go. Got my water. Thank you for hydration break. Appreciate it. Chug, chug, chug. Just get enough water. Okay, the hands. Hey, perfect. That works. Save. You have a talented skill? What kind? What skill do you have? Would you like to share with us? Okay, 1 should be default here. You can drink without closing your mouth to swallow. Huh. I don't think I can do that. Interesting though. But I don't think I could. Someday you record yourself doing it if you want to. Like the music. Show off your collage skill. done with texture mouth that I wrote down. Next is idle animation, where it looks around, because right now the idle animation is okay. It's just like some reading, but it's not a really good idle one. It should be looking around. So you teacher parties for collage. Do you mean college parties? Party skills for college? Okay, so I think it should like look around. Like, look up, left, right, up, down, maybe. That would be a good slime idle animation. Let's see. Doing some research on Google. Genshin Impact slime animation. It's just breathing. I think I just make it look around. Animator for the idle animation. Select this, preview. So right now it's just reading. So what we can do over, okay, let's say this is 2.5. So if I just copy these values to like 230 up to 5, this should loop for 5 seconds. Like eggs. Okay, the bot will be asking the same question all streams, so you don't have to answer every time. Isekai, oops, I did it again. What did you do? And you gotta go sleep. Sounds good, Nuke. Thank you so much for hanging out. Appreciate it. And have a good night. Oh, you sung Britney Spears. I knew I recognized the lyrics, but I don't have, like, the melody doesn't come to mind right now, and I cannot sing anyway. So sleep schedule has been messed up for a year, and I think it's finally fixing itself. Good job on fixing it. Keep it fixed. It's really hard to fix a sleeping schedule, and this guy, you're saying that you have a surprise later as a TBA. Interesting. I'm curious now. Okay, let's see. Eyes. So if I select both eyes, day coffee. It's getting late. Well, it's not late. It's 8 p.m. for me, but it's going into the night. But thank you for stepping by. Have a good sleep. Take care. Slow regrowth. What? let's record. So let's loop this perfectly. So at 300, I wanted to loop. Add keys. But before that, you have no idea what soul growth was, but alright. So yeah. Have a good night. Let's have it glance left to right for now. Just to see how it looks like. Oop. The loop is way too short for sure. Let's give ourselves a little bit more space. Let's delete those keyframes for now. I have a feeling I should split these animation out into two separate ones, because like the loop is too short for the bleeding, so I don't want to like have to copy and paste a bunch of it. So I'm going to do like a eyes idle. So let's make a folder for the eyes, and let's create a new animation. Eyes folder, eyes idle. And animator, gotta remove it from here. And add another layer for the eyes. Put weight on and put this one in. Okay. So for the eyes, I guess we can start with slot these. Add the keyframe here for the rotation at like 0, 0, 0, and then what should the slime do? Like just a glance, look on the side, stay there for a little bit, glance back, stay there a little bit. Yeah, I think something like that. So stay there for a little bit, let's say for 2 seconds. Add another pair of keyframes, and then glance in. Half a second. 150. And let's have it glance to the side. Like, huh? What's happening here? And then stay there for like another 2 seconds. And then glance back in half a second. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that's not bad. Like the movement, like how fast the eyes are moving, looks fine. But it needs to stay there a little bit longer. So like, we can move this out. Is this too long? Around here feels right. So let's move it back. And maybe instead of down, right? Maybe I can, instead of just back, I can move it down a little bit. Right here. And then hold it. And then move back. Looks to the side. Looks down a little bit. And move back. Okay, now and if I combine that to the breathing animation. Yeah, I like this. Maybe you should look up too sometimes. Let's add more animations to it. Eyes idle. So in the middle for a little bit, hold some time, and then drift up. And then maybe what happens here is it's a slow, right, just look across. And then look straight ahead again. So glance to the left, holds it a little bit, looks down, holds it a little bit, looks up, no, looks straight ahead, and then looks up, and then scans a little bit, and then glance back. And that combined with the breathing should give it plenty of life. Down and then straight up. Looks up in the corner. Okay, I think this cycle is good. It's a little bit short though. I need to put it a little bit longer. So space out the animation, I think, is what I need to do. So over like 30 seconds? 30-second cycle seems reasonable. Maybe something like this. Not all equal times, otherwise it would look unnatural if it's perfectly spread out in time. So add a little bit of randomness, like different timings. Okay, so the scan is too slow, I think. Although I should probably swap these around. So this one maybe here. Move this back here. And the last keyframe is all 0. Okay, so let's see. Clap, clap, clap. You like it? Okay, so glance to the side. Then look down. Then it's going to look back up a little bit slowly. Do a scan. Then look at the center. Sus glance. It's observing something. Looking for victims? What do you mean there's no victims? To give cookies to? It's following something. Okay, and now we combine this with the breeding to give it a full lifelike, not lifelike, I guess lifelike animation. Right. So this is how it looks like. Full animation. And the breeding adds a lot more to it. Makes it less robotic. Okay, I think this is a good idle animation, at least for now. Let's make sure everything is saved. Next up is eat cookie animation. How do I do eat cookie animation? That's a complicated animation. Okay, let's start by bringing the cookie in. Cookie model that I made. Let's see. One recent cookie. Okay. So I got a cookie here. Model looks nice enough, I think. Maybe I could make these chocolate pieces, some of them a little bit more random sized. Something like that. Hey Fireball, how you doing? Getting cookie? Oh no, are you bites? Nom. Okay, let's save this and to have anything random. I like how it's all called cubes. Base and everything. Can I just rename everything? How do we rename all one by one? Choco. Not too bad. 12 pieces of chocolate in here. There is a victim of being bitten. Yeah, let's bring them directly to the oh, this is not the right folder. Unity projects, Twitch, Unity Twitch assets, model, cookie. Kofi, Kofi is biting IU. So many bites. Okay, now we gotta have a cookie in here. the Kiarara cookie model. And unlock this. How is everyone doing? Hey, why are you biting me? If you are hungry, you can grab the free cookie. There's one right here. Can I have the cookies? Free cookies. Okay, so we got a cookie. It's a huge cookie. It's a very big cookie. I wonder if I can have like a better material for it. So let's extract the material. Thanks, cookie. You see what you're offering? He's still biting me. So we got the cookie and the chocolate. We can edit this. And for the chocolate, a little bit more brown, darker brown. There we go. And then, kind of want to try. Yeah, I want to do Puyumi. Oh no, lighting, not flat. What is realistic? Realistic? Warp. Skin. Tune. Black. Realistic. I think warp is. Oh, it's kind of dark. Reading, shade mapping. Not too happy with this. Hi, Berserker. How you doing? Wolfie, why are you biting me away? What is this? What does that mean? Okay, so putting me here actually doesn't make it nice at all. I'll make it realistic smoothness. Oh. Uncap lighting. It adds some highlight to it. I guess I could go back to standard. Standard looks fine. Yeah, I'll go with standard for now. The bite quantum. No biting party. What is this? Cookie party, maybe. But not biting party. This is a very big cookie. Let's make it smaller. Too big for the slime. You forgot that was a command? Well, now you remember. actually. If I want to, I need to see how big is the mouth when it's open. Okay, so this is the size I can use it for the cookie. So I need to scale this dog to fit. Or maybe I should just make it giant. Sandwich. Show sandwich. TB&J. What? Is this an animation? Well, I'm trying to think about how to make a eating cookie animation in 3D. Which is going to be difficult because I'm not good at making animations. Like I was able to do like the idle animation here. So it's just like breathing and looking around. But now I want to do like a eating animation. What is this for? My own little VTubing software, I guess. Like I could turn this into an overlay. It's actually already works as an overlay. Let me demonstrate. Let me build this. Build. Let me make a folder for it. Not alternate VTuber model. It's not a model. It's a lot more than that. It would interact with Twitch. It's more like an overlay thing. I'll show you. Give me a little bit. I just noticed my avatar is kind of small on the screen, isn't it? Let me make myself a little bit bigger. And extend my hand. Okay, so now I have a software that I can launch. Where is it? Full screen. Out enter. So I have this thing running, right? Can I resize? Wait, let me adjust some things. I did not do the adjustments. Resolution, windowed. What's the size for? Camera, UI, canvas. 2720. Others. It should be good. Resizable. Let me rebuild. I'm creating my own little custom software that I can capture in OBS to do stuff. And the result is having this thing running. Alright. Then I can hit connect. Where's the slime? Oh, here. And then I need to capture that in OBS as game capture. Slime software. Capture specific window. Elephant Spring C. So this is captured full screen, right? Let me move this out. Or this one. So I could have like something like this in the corner here, right? I can give fats. And I have my own little slime in this corner. Or I can move it in the other corner. So we have like a thing on the overlay. So this is the base idea, at least. So that's the idea, right? And this is just the start. For now, that's the only thing you can do. But when I actually hit connect, this software that I'm building is actually a lot more than that. So if I hit connect here, and if you talk in chat, it's a good thank you. Like if I type something, right, it shows up in here. That means the software understands Twitch. You can also do like a redeem. Like the redeem shows up. And if any of you start talking, it would also show up. So the idea is to plug this to Twitch. And I could create a redeem like feed the slime a cookie. Boop. You said boop. Alright, and Wolfie says new. Right, so I could do like a thing where what I was gonna say is chat can redeem stuff that interacts with the slime. It doesn't do anything right now, it just shows up like the messages for me. But I wrote the code for that. Like I wrote a bunch of code so it understands Twitch. Ain't fancy looking yet? What do you mean? Oh, the hard to see on mobile? No, I didn't make anything fancy yet. Like all I'm having is for now just the text. No, that was just like testing text. Nothing fancy about it. Yeah, I could code it so a channel point redeem can cause some action. And the next thing I wanted to do was feed a cookie. That's why I made a cookie model. The cookie is so small. Like a cookie. Now I have to figure out how to do the numb animation. Which is going to be a lot of work because I have no idea how to do it. So I guess, let's see. Numb animation. Yet what? Yeah, I want to do like that emote basically. Like I have the arms and everything, but I have to animate it, so I have to save like an animation. Okay, let's create. So I need to make the cookie part of the avatar first. Well, not avatar, but the slime model. And then I can create a new clip, which will be eat cookie. That's going to be difficult for now. Right, The control I gave myself is basically open, close mouth, or like smile, or sad, or nickel. But I could do like nom nom nom. I don't know. I'll try. I think I'll keep it simple for now and then improve it later. So 8 cookie. The first step would be make the cookie visible, but very small. Well, tiny, invisibly small. And then over a quarter of a second, make the cookie, grow the cookie out. So like, not work. Okay, so this is way too big. This is better. A little bit small, so 0.15. Yeah, get a functional prototype and refine it. That's the idea. You just want to slide to expand over the entire cookie. And we get a flat cookie disc shaped slime. That would be funny. But I don't know how to do that. Okay. So the first step is cookie appears. And the arm should... Oh, this is so much. This is a lot of animations actually. Arms. Rotate the arm. Why is the arm not moving? Oh, I'm moving the wrong thing. Okay, the bone for the arm here. Oh, that's the other arm. And I cut the slime. Okay, so first position where the arm should be is like there used to be like a thing here I could click to change perspective. Oh, here, global, center. So the first part of the arm starts like here. Let's copy those values over the other arm. Paste, position, paste. That did not look right. Copy or angle, paste. That also doesn't work out. Okay, we'll do it manually then. Move the arm up. Rotate. Curry cell. Just open your mouth. Nom. Inhale the cookie. So this would be the starting position for the animation. The then the cookie appears. And then I guess we can add another key here for the position for both arms and rotation. And then in the next like quarter of a second, it's going to go and grab the cookie. Okay, so go grab the cookie. Rotate it in a little bit. Down. Move it back. Okay. Not too bad. So something like this for this arm. Now the other arm. Same thing. Rotate. Up a little bit. And move these out. And down. So like, whoop, appears, grabs the cookie, or it catches the cookie, and then brings the cookie in. So next like quarter second, the cookie, let's move the cookie. It's a good reference point. Up, in, and rotate. This. Yes, open mouth. Just as a reference. Okay, so cookie. About here. Okay, it just basically pushes the cookie in a little bit. Num num num. Okay, now I have to. I guess I want to pull the cookie closer and more vertical, I guess. So more like this. Oh, it's clipping. Okay. Okay, this can work. Pull the cookie in. And during this movement, the arms should also pull it and up a little bit. Give it a little bit of rotation up. I guess more like this. Same for the other arm. Up a little bit. So cookie appears, catch the cookie. Oh wait, the cookie's moving here. Here I should fix the cookie position. And rotation. Cookie position copy. Go here. Paste the cookie position. And do the same for the rotation. Copy rotation. Get here. Paste the rotation. Okay, so the cookie appears, grabs, pull the cookie in. Numbs the heck. Oh no. Wolfie numbing everyone. I guess from here, the important is the body. The numb. Oh no. Nom 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 nom. Let's see. The body should also react to it. So let's add the key for scale. Key appears. Add another key for the scale. And then as it grabs, I think the slime should grow a little bit. Up, grab the cookie. Right, so this is how it looks like. Cookie appears, grabs, pull in. Okay, so for the cookie to be smooth, because right now it's just like a linear transformation, so it should overshoot a little bit and then go back. That way it's smoother. So let's go to curves. Which one is cookie scale? This one. Let's adjust the curve for it. Let's have it overshoot. Yeah. That way. Oh, it's just one dimension. Oh no. Scale. Okay, so all three values I have to do manually. Now it overshoots a little bit. Not enough though. Okay, let's do it differently. Why are you the subject of the numb party? Because everyone else has been numbed already. You're just dancing and spinning. So I want the cookie to overshoot the size. So maybe around here, you can overshoot it here. So the size is 0.15. So let's do like 0.18 here. Oop. A little bit further. And here, halfway, let's do it smaller. 0.14. So it's a nice smooth animation. Oop. It's too fast though. Yeah, it's too fast. So let's move these out. Isn't that... I'm so happy with the result for the cookie pop. You like a pop, a nice smooth pop. Welcome to the nummy party. Why? Automod block the term bite. What? Numb. 3D hyper numb. Hyper mom. Did you spell it right? You did. I think it's the R next to the N. Makes it look like an M. It's like doing 1 and B. Well, no, 1 and 3 can look like a B, for example. Like 13 can look like a B. Thanks, Al, for the help with the wholesome picks. The cookie pops out, and then the slime grabs. And now I need to do the num part. Num part. Let's save first. This has been a lot of work. Okay. Now that I have this, I need to do the num part. How do I even do the num part? Like the num. Wish I could then just go in oh my, read out. But obese. Obese. I don't get it. What is your phone trying to say at you? So how do I do the num actually? Move up and down? No. Or instead of doing the num, just like have it inhale the cookie. Maybe that's a easier thing to do because I don't know how to do the num animation. Like I could animate the mouth, but it's like bottom lip mostly. Yeah. Maybe I'll have it inhale the cookie. It'll be easier. Just pop. Pop. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So the cookie pops out. Let's have it pop out a lot bigger, man. Because why not? Maybe we need more time. So let's pull this out to 20 milliseconds. And give this a little bit more time. Yeah, this is a little bit smoother. Gonna get stuffy. Eating out the entire cookie. Okay, so here, assuming the mouth is open, so assuming we got wide open, I want the cookie, okay, in the next frame or so, the cookie needs to rotate like this, move up to the mouth, and get smaller. No, cookie should not get smaller. The slime should get bigger. Yes. So this is where the cookie will be. So here. Now I need the slime to match the size. So slime. That's too much, is it? Or is it okay? position. To hold this position up to here. What? Why is it doing this? It's overshooting. Is that a curve thing? Scale. Cookie knows. Not like this. What's happening here? Okay, so this is how I should match up. Okay, so from what are those? Arms? This cookie spins up here. Oh, this part is supposed to bring in. Okay. So move the scale and size. Bring it up. Go big. Numb. I would need the mouth to be much bigger. Yeah, I think that's the thing. I need the mouth to be bigger. But I don't see how. Can I? Yeah, it doesn't go further. So I need to go back into Blender and modify this part for the mouth. Okay, so let's pause this. Let's go back to Blender. Save this. Go back to slime. Wide open is not wide enough. Wide open needs to actually be wide. Well, I guess I can create new shape. Big open. What? It's a guy. It's a slime. We all know this is a slime. It's my mascot. It's been around for a while. It's this guy. Now I need to make the mouth bigger. Ooh, this might be difficult actually. Let's see. Let's remove the bones. I guess I'll select these two and try scaling up. I need to select all of these. Select all around. Down. You try to inhale the cookie. Trying. Not succeeding. So if I scale this, Hmm. Didn't see it because he's not moving. True. True. Okay. So I guess I just have to move all the vertices manually. If I move this, okay. We still have mirror on, so that's good. Rather than move, can I slide? Edge slide, vertex slide. This might be what I need. So let's put it around here, big. Oh, the texture will move too. Okay, so this is pretty much the limit because of the blush. So let's pull this over. At least good thing I have mirror mode, so I don't really need to do one side. Does it keep the shape? Yeah, it does keep the shape, so that's good. Just so really messy while doing it. Is this even going to work? It's already messing up the lighting. Yeah, I don't think this is the way. This is not the way. Control Z. Okay. So that was not the solution. I don't have enough experience with this. I'm struggling. Okay, so let's try moving the corner out. Yes, and then back. And then the bottom, want to move it down. And then back. I have to adjust for the curve manually, I guess. So something like this. And I just need to fix the curve because now it's all deformed. What's the music now? It's not. Oh. It's all the same music. The playlist feels different. Wow, Kyo. That's not how you can say these things. Scrambles. Wait. Wolfie wants Kyo to scramble Wolfie's eggs? What? Gotta adjust these to make it smoother. These in. Here is now traumatized. Look what you've done. Push all of this in. Try to make a smoother surface. Why did you click Wolfie? What did you do? This is a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. But it's a good learning experience. Let's keep going a little bit for now. You clicked ignore the user? Interesting. Maybe you can look into the chat list and see if one of the people you ignored by accident. Starting to look a little bit A little bit better, but not quite. So this part of the curve looks correct. Can use that as a guide for the rest. So this one, for sure it's too far out. I want this to become like a curve here. Okay, getting better. This, I think. Did you figure out who you ignored by accident, Wolfie? Bottom part is starting to look not too bad. Now I need to adjust the top part. There's no list for it. Well, I guess you'll never hear back from that person again. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. Now the corner. This line here, I have to fix that. Okay, bottom line is fixed. Now the top line, which is this part. Guess better. I still see some artifact. Let's see the sheet. This one is too dented in. Is it too dent in or is it too far out? This is too far out. Something like this. Getting some decent progress here. Okay, okay. Getting closer to what I want. Push this out a little bit more. Like this. Yeah, that's a lot cleaner now. But there's still like a line, so let me try to fix this line here. If there's iron, it just means it's not lined up correctly. So this part here. Does it need to go in or out? Both would fix it, so let's see. Get it further away. That fixes it. Now this dent here. Okay. Spin. Spin, spin, spin. I also have a spin emote. Oh, a command. That just gave me an idea of a command. Let me write it down. Spin command. Then command. So we can make the slime spin. I think this works. I think this is good enough. Bottom is not curved enough. Let me fix that. But there we go. Save that for big open. Collection and then export. FBX. Let's see, where is the project? Here. Slide. And replace. Eating. Sippin'. Numbin'. Okay, now we got a big open. Hey, there we go. So with that, I don't have to make the SIM as big. Phone scale. Just a little bit bigger. And then from here, next step in the animation, the cookie goes oof inside. So rotate a little bit more. Go inside and scale down. Cookie scale. Yeah. 0.15. Okay, so let's keep that up to this keyframe at 0.15. Like this. No. Hey, why you bite? Why biting? And then here is about when the mouth closes. Okay, so let's match the hands first. So here, let's move the hands. Why not? We can eat the cookies. Up. Also rotate. Okay, I should rotate first. So we got catch the cookie and eat. Okay, so the last part, you need to push the hands up the mouth. Move this back out.
You alright, mate? What can I get you? Beer, please. Foster's alright, mate? God, yes. You new around these parts? Yeah. Yeah, I guess I am.
Down a little
You
bit.
look like you've seen things, stranger. You wouldn't believe me if I told you. No. I used to live in a nice place. Well, it wasn't that nice. If he kept awake by the sound of shouting at night.
Or tasty? Oh no.
But it was our home. Most of all, it was affordable. But then something happened and it all changed forever. I was in the corner shop buying beans for my breakfast when I saw something that I thought was kind of freaky. A shelf I'd never seen with something on it called tahini. I shouted to the owner, "Hey yo man, what's this?" He said, "I don't know, but I've had requests to stock it." At the time I thought it was nothing to be fearing, but shortly after more weird things began appearing.
Something like this. Catch the cookie and no. And after num, next step is have the slime go back to normal size. And maybe the hands reset. Yeah. Hands copy. Position. Go here. Paste the position. Factor first. Copy. Rotation. To the end. Paste. Rotation. Where is it? What happened? Copy error angle. Last. Paste error angle. So strange. It's not the same value. Yeah, I'll just copy manually. Here and here. 0 here. Yeah. Paste. Copy. Yes. Paste. Copy. Plus. Paste. Position. Copy. And at the end, oops. Paste. No. Okay, let's see the speed. No. No. Oh, I'm missing the position. 0. At the end, it's not 0. Hey, no. Just inhaling cookies. Now I can change the timing. I can make this a bit slower. A little bit slower. This part a little bit slower too. Give it more time here.
I'm so sorry. It's already too late. Here they go!
What else do you do when you have infinite cookie? What do you mean imagine not sharing? All the cookies is free to grab here. You can get it. Something's wrong with... Oh, never mind. It looks wrong when I don't focus it. When I don't focus the app. Interesting. Okay, so one more thing I need to animate. I think I'll animate the... Yeah, I'll animate the eyes and mouth here too. So here I should make it happy. Let's see. whatever is at the start here. They'll be happy. It's important that big is closed. And then up to here. One to remove the happy and have the big open. And then by the time we get here, we want to remove big open and go back to happy. There we go. Now we got the. Well, is the bot off? What do you mean? It worked? Like the bite IU command worked. Oh, that means you ignored stream elements. If you don't see stream elements, that means you ignored it. Can you find stream element in the user in chat and remove the ignore then? Now that we know which one you ignored. Okay, so I think around here, I also want to swap the eyes. Dancing, spinning. Okay, slime, eyes. It's not here. Eyes closed. Oh, it's here. No, I do have it. Okay. So I need to IRL and duplicate those. Let's see. Preview, duplicate, and duplicate. And this is the XD. For the XD, we're going to switch the texture for the left to this one, and for the right to this one. I need to rename this. Put it out. But is it time to sleep? Why are you tucking IU in? Okay, so material, slime, eyes. Okay. Add a key. Add a key. And then around here, I think. Oh, those are not aligned. Let's align them. Here, let's swap to. So this is RXD and FXD. Oh, that not work. Skin mesh eyes. What are those? Okay, let me redo that part. Okay, so first at 0 are Let's remove it and then replace it. Same thing for the left. And then here, place it left and the right. Snuggle buddy. Nice. And then after the num here, we revert to normal eyes. Now with the eyes, I think it's starting to get pretty decent. Yeah, I think this is decent. Okay. Save this. Now let's go to Animator. Remove the 8 cookie. And have this here. 8 cookie. With an exit time. Exit time is 2 seconds. Going to cut a puddle too. It's a bit far. Alright, let's see here. Let's have exit time. Okay, so it's a little bit less. I guess maybe, not sure. This one, no exit time, but let's add a new parameter. Trigger 8 cookie. Oops, I have cap locks on. 8 cookie. So 8 cookie lasts 2 seconds and then go back. Now I need to do for the hands. Let's make another copy of arms on for the 8 cookie. This is when we do 8 cookie and then exit. Or I guess back to arms off. I don't know. After 2 seconds. I wonder if this will work. 8 cookie. Could bring it back to your bed. That's going to be a long it's going to be pretty far. Okay. Now I need like a nothing. Empty. That's that we can go when it cookie is on, and then exit. After 2 seconds. Oops, not this. 2 seconds. And same for the eyes. I need an empty. I'm not even sure this will work, but let's try it. So go to empty when 8 cookie and get out of there after 2 seconds. No exit time. Nice. Okay. So I don't know if this works, but let's test it. let's move this. And now let's eat cookie. Oh, I forgot to turn off the cookie at the end. Animation, slime, eat cookie. At the very end, I have to hide that cookie. Save, and then let's try again. It's adorable. Well done. It's not fully done yet. Let me do some more tests. So 8 cookie. Okay, so I have to keep this on for 2 seconds. So maybe instead of a trigger, because trigger seems to have to stay on. Something is not working well. I think this part is not working well, or this part. I guess I can remove this and just have it arms on. If no exit time, but if eat cookie is active, this one shouldn't have an exit time. For the mouth, maybe that one was fine. Not sure. Let's test again. No. Eat cookie. So the idle is still playing. Why is it eating twice? I don't get it. Huh. I guess here's what I'm going to do. Instead of using the same one, I'm going to remove this one. Create an empty. Oh no, not empty, but a copy of arms on. But it's called eat cookie. You know? What do you know, Wolfie? Oh, you're agreeing with Kyo and Shiro. Okay. Like I feel like it's complex here because the eat cookie animation is overriding a bunch of stuff. So I need to stop doing all the other stuff. I have a bad taste. That wasn't my pizza. That picture you saw in Kyo's server was a picture I saw in another Discord server. That was not mine. So the eyes, I think that's fine. Like there's a thing where it stops. The body, same thing. But maybe the 2 seconds exit time is not good. Eat cookie, it's playing twice. Yeah. Oh, I think 0.75. No, 0.85. Transition duration. Would this work? 2 seconds. to 0.2. And then this should be 0.9, I think. 8.5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Watermelon with hot sauce. What? Ketchup? You mean like hot sauce? Watermelon with ketchup? What? So 0.9, 0.2. Salt and sriracha. I see. Let's do for the eyes too. 0.8, 0.9, and 0.2. And mouth. Did not write default. Maybe that's the issue. Hands. 8 cookie. Arms on. Any state should go 8 cookie when 8 cookie. But once this is done, I need to go back to this. Try to exit. Exit 0.9, 0.2. I see. It's a very specific brand. And mouse. 0.9, 0.2. Okay, let's try this. Eight cookie. Oh, something went wrong. It's consistent at least, but something is not working. So let's click this and go to hand. Oops. Is it exiting right away? 0.9. Because this is instant. So what I need is like this maybe is 2 seconds before it exits. Same for this, 2 seconds. And same for this, 2 seconds. Only the body doesn't need 2 seconds. Almost works. At the end and start, there's something not working. So this leads me to think it's one of the transition thing. So which part is not working? So the eyes are fine. So the hands, let's start with the hands. This one, no duration. I want it to be instant. I guess I can change the default position, so that should fix it. Next is the main animation. It should start right away. And should it stop right away? Going from idle to this is not smooth. Sort of floaty. And that's it, because it has physics, so when it's moving, it moves. Same with the glasses. But something is not right with the animations. So instead of this, I think specifically for this, I can turn this on. Okay, so maybe I don't want this to be a trigger, but rather a boolean 8 cookie. Okay, so 8 cookie true, and then exit when 8 cookie is false. Maybe it's easier if I do it that way. Arms, same thing. 8 cookie is true, and go back if it's false, and 8 cookie is false. For the mouth, go to empty when 8 cookie is true. And for all the other ones, and cookie is false. Or maybe I should use like a subtree for this. Maybe. Let's try this first. 8 cookie false. Here 8 cookie true. And for the eyes, 8 cookie true. Then go back when 8 cookie false. And no exit time. And then one more thing I want to try. 8 cookie add property. No. Okay, let's try this actually. Hit play. Animator and set cookie to true. And disappear. You get stuck here. I wonder why. It's stuck in the other animation. Cookie true. Why is the cookie still there? I guess it's exiting early instead of playing the entire thing. Fixed duration has exit time. Interruption source. Gonna have it force it to finish the animation before exiting. Maybe that's what exit time is. Exit time and normalized time. So maybe I can use this. Okay, so if I do 8 cookie and then stop in the middle, it goes back. Okay. So it finishes the animation correctly. Now for the hands. Okay, so this one I think I do want to split it. So delete this one and do this. So these are the two states, and then another arms on for cookie, eat cookie. So you can go to eat cookie where eat cookie is true. And then you can go back to either if eat cookie is false. With an exit time. Maybe. Oh, no exit time. Okay, so this should be the one. This one was fine. Eyes was also fine. Now for the hands, let's see. Add behavior new script. I remember there was a thing to trigger non-animation in chain, but I don't remember how to do it. Maybe for another time. Okay, let's take one more look. Oh, somehow it's kind of worse. What's happening with the hand layers? Oh, it's redoing arms on. learning. Okay, so I guess I need to specify more. If hands is true, or if hands is false. So it doesn't snap between the two. He's so happy to eat the cookie. Cannot help but flail lips. Yeah, I'll have to do some more research with it. Yeah, I don't know. But I think this is good progress though. Like just to eat cookie loop. It's a good progress. I went from having no idea how to do the animation to having something that's okay. Thank you for the pats. Alright. I think this is a good time to stop and look for someone to raid. So, thank you everyone for hanging out. Let's look for someone to raid, so don't go away yet. Here's some cookies. Next time I see you all will be on Thursday. We'll be playing something. I'm not sure what yet, but probably find some games to play. Yes, eat all the cookies. And anyone lurking, if you're not already following my Twitter, you should do so, or join my Discord. That way you don't miss any of the streams or announcements or stuff I do. But for now, let's see, who shall we raid?
Über die Dächer der großen Stadt findet mein Lied zu dir. Ruf dich zurück zu mir, weil ich dich liebe. Über die Dächer
I see a few options.
ruft es dir zärtlich zu. Mein ganzes Glück bist du, weil ich dich liebe. Ich möchte nicht mehr einsam das Glück versäumen. Ich möchte mit
Yeah, I see a few options.
von Liebe träumen.
Bite cookie flavored cutie. Oh no. You vote scrap? Yeah, I'm thinking Scrat. Either Scrat or Jacko. Both are streaming. They're playing together. 7 Days to Die. Who did I raid last time? I don't remember who I rated. Alright. Well, we have one vote for Scrat. I think that's enough. That's enough to decide. So let's rate Scrat. And before we raid, make sure he has TTS on. So just say one time, just once. Tracking. Just say one time. This is a raid from the Q squad. Just once, not more than once, because he has TTS on. All right, let's head over. I'll see you all soon, Thursday. Let's play something. Not sure what yet, but let's play something. All right, thank you everyone for stopping by. Thank you everyone for hanging out. Hope that was interesting. Abuse? Don't abuse TTS. What you can abuse though is using channel points to throw stuff at him. So do abuse that. Throw stuff at Scrat as we raid. Alright, everyone. So here's my assignment for all of you. Throw one thing. Either throw something in his face or throw something on his head. That's the assignment I'm sending you all. The mission for the Q squad tonight. Let's go. Bye bye.